Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert images or PDF to Excel file. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to the Cam Scanner app. So Cam Scanner is a very useful app. It has all the functionalities. If you don't have the app yet, I recommend that you go to App Store, search for Cam Scanner, have the app downloaded, and then once you have the app, you can click on the app to open it and then go to the tools section. So under convert, you will see something called convert to Excel. Click on to Excel. So here you can import the file directly, or you can click scan to scan an images or a PDF into Excel file just by clicking on the scan button.